Yo, what's up? What's going on? What happened? New video, and today we're talking about the gas fee. So let's get started. Gas fee is a transaction fee that the cryptocurrency platform takes to process your request. There is more than one cryptocurrency, but today we'll be focusing on the Ethereum gas fee and how it works. Let's take a Starbucks waiting line to make things easier to understand. You wait by the line of transaction until yours is completed, and then you pay your coffee plus the transaction fee. So if your coffee is $10 and the waiting line was $2, then you end up paying $12 to cover all costs. And that's how the transactions work. And then let's say that you're willing to wait more than others, or your transaction is not needed to be completed as soon as possible or not necessary, so you can wait. So you ended up putting a low transaction fee. You put a low transaction fee, you're gonna be waiting for the line to go down and the transaction fee to go down with it as well. So let's say that the waiting line was $2, but you ended up putting $1. What that's gonna do is gonna process all the $2 transaction fee until there is no more line, so they put transaction lower to be $1, and your transaction will be completed, and you ended up paying the coffee, which is $10, and the transaction that you wanted, which is $1, and you ended up with $11 less than the other person. But for some reason you needed it to be finished fast. You can speed up the transaction by paying more gas than other people in the line, and by ending up paying more gas fee more than the average person, your transaction will get prioritized over other transactions to be completed because you paid more. Now that you have the idea of how gas fee works, you might be wondering, how can you calculate the gas fee? Well, first of all, you need to know what is a gwei. A gwei is an Ethereum unit, which is 10 to the power of 9. So 1 Ethereum is equals 1 billion gwei. And the amount of gwei change depending on the amount of transaction happening in that period of time. Then to get to the total gas fee, you need to put the gas limit, which is usually 21,000 most of the time, times the base fee in gwei plus the priority fee, which is the tip for the miners that do the transaction. And usually the priority fee is a minimum of 2 gwei. So let's just make an imaginary transaction where the base fee is 50 and we put the priority fee as 15 to make our transaction go as fast as possible. So to calculate the gas fee, we have to put 21,000, which is the gas limit, times 50, the base fee, plus 15, the priority fee. We will end up with 1,365,000 gwei. Now to change that into Ethereum, we divide that number by 10 to the power of 9 and we end up with 0.001365 Ethereum. And we can simply times that with the Ethereum price at the current moment to see the dollar cost of that transaction. So let's assume that Ethereum is $2,000, for example. That means 0.001365 times 2,000, and our transaction fee ended up with $2.37. And that is the transaction fee in dollars. To know the base fee, I will leave an extension down in the description. It stays on the hotbar of your browser and shows you the base fee in the current time. And also, if you want to see the transaction go as a train, there is a website that's gonna show it just like what you see down in the description. The lower the transaction fee, the more people are waiting in the line. And as you scroll down, you can see the people waiting for the gas fee to go lower. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.